Hello, I'm in my kitchen. I was gonna just give you a tour of my whole kitchen and show you everything we do, but it's kind of a lot. So I'm just gonna talk to you briefly about how we do cleaners. And I'm telling you right now, like whether you care about toxins or not, this is the best solution, not only because it's non-toxic, but because this little bottle is Thieves Household Cleaner. It comes in this. They also come with a large, like industrial size bottle. But this bottle right here, you're gonna get, I think it's like each one of these is like $1 or $2, and that's a full one of these. So what I do is I take this and I fill, this is already filled, but I take a cap to 2 caps and put it in here and then fill with water. I bought one of these fancy little bottles and I got this label made. You can find these on Etsy. Makes it more fun to clean. So I use this for my countertops. The coolest thing is that I use it on glass, which, you know, before I'd have to switch to Windex. So I can use this on my counters. I can use this and go straight to my microwave, my stove, my the windows behind my sink that always get water spots on them, to my sliding glass, to my TV, to everything. We also use this for our clothes. If we have a spot on them in the morning, we use this. I use this to clean my carpet if I have a stain on the carpet. I mean, I can't even begin to tell you everything I use this for. Pretty much everything, except for maybe like conditioning wood, we use this. Oh yeah, and the one other thing that we use. So I basically just, this is all I buy. If I'm mopping, I put it in my mop water. Sometimes I just fill up the sink and put a little bit in there to wipe down my counters as opposed to having to keep spraying, and use a sponge. So yeah, there's that. Besides that, sometimes if I need to scrub something, I have these. These are filled with baking soda, and I'll put a cap full of this in and spray it. It makes it a little bit chunky. You could also just spray baking soda and spray this on top of it, but I have a little sprinkle tops on these. So I put these in like the bathrooms and stuff. You can also use it for carpet freshener, like to spray on the carpet. But if you need like a scouring, then use these. Besides that, I do have the dish soap. I try to make my own. It didn't go over very well. So I have the Thieves dish soap, and then of course we use the foaming hand soap. And I buy the refill for these, and I have this in the kitchen, and then I have it in each of the bathrooms. But yeah, that's it. So what's so cool is that I don't use 409 anymore. I don't use Windex. I don't use carpet cleaner. I mean, just the simplification of it, and to know it's cheaper, and to know it's non-toxic, and to know my kids can drink this stuff and they're not going to die, and to know that I can spray around with it and the fumes of smelling it in are not going to cause any of us issues, especially the ones with allergies. So this is how we do cleaning and what we store in the kitchen. Okay, you guys, I can't wait to come back with more. We're going to do supplements, Ningxia, protein powders, everything else I have in the kitchen. Have a good day.